Yan, good morning everyone. Pasensya na napahaba ang tulog ko. Hindi ako nakagising kaagad. Kaya delayed ang daily grind today. Pero kahit konti lang ang tulog at kaagising lang, tuloy pa rin ang daily grind. This is my woke up like this look. Ayan. Good morning po. Good morning, Argel Mendoza. Good morning. Yan, very, very good nga pala kasi nag-bounce na si PSEI yesterday and crypto is booming and majority of our positions right now is in crypto. This is my first time really trading crypto. So, hindi ako nag-all in. So, kakatest ko lang. So far, so good. Doing well. We're just waiting for additional next entry points po sa mga positions natin. So, looking well naman. Congratulations sa mga nag-copy trade sa akin. Mga nag-trade with eToro. Congratulations sa mga nasa crypto. Why not? If it's bullish, then why not get in, diba? So, tinesting natin si si crypto, and we were able to gain from it, diba? So, let's go to the comments. Argel Mendoza, good morning po, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Good morning po. Good morning to my daughter and Laika. Dauntless HG, good morning. Ome Aurelio, good morning everyone. Sir Lloyd, magandang umaga. Good morning. Folaika, Jaime Villaflor, good morning. Anyong Haseo, good morning ni Sayo. Jing88, good morning coach. Ang ganda ng gising lahat. Green. eToro newbie, right? Congratulations, Cherry Liffy's vlog. Yan, congratulations. Yan. Joy P, good day Sir Lloyd and family. Nice move po. Si XRP tumaas pa. Napaka-thrilling noon kasi laki na negative natin dyan. So, but we held on to it and then it is still going up. I think I'm gonna be taking profits today and then just look for another position the next coming days. Ayan po. So, congratulations. Hafa Aday, good morning Sir Lloyd from Macau. Good morning Ben. Yoni Pioka, good morning. Ronald Ray Tome, yan, good morning sir. Pa-insights kay WPI, thank you. I'll write these down. Yung mga request nyo kahapon, pwede nyo itanong today. We'll do charting today. Bilisan lang natin kasi medyo late tayo ng start. Hafa Aday, yan, tapos na yan. Si WPI, sinulat ko na. Good morning po sir. May nag-free up po ba ng slot kapag nag-deposit po ako ngayon? Real time po ba magre-reflect? Becca Tangan, sadly last night napuno, walang nag-expire na reservation. I will recommend reserve lang muna kasi pahirapan ngayon ang unit sa mangingisda.org kasi puno na eh. So, if ever may mag-free up tonight at 8 p.m., we'll check it out. Baka may mag-free up. Hopefully meron, right? Kasi kahapon yung mga mag-expire, we sent them a message and nagtuloy naman sila. So, walang gaano nag-expire. So, yun po, walang nag-expire kagabi. Walang na-free up na slot, sadly. Right? So, yun lang. We can't really guarantee. Baka tonight, meron mag-expire and then we can free up few spaces. Ome Aurelio, sir, pa-insights kay VUL. Ang ganda ng galaw ni VUL. Maakyat na. So, congratulations. It was the bottom. So, somehow, okay na si VUL. Kaso nga lang, antayin lang natin ng pullback if ever hindi pa nakapasok. Okay? Bakatangan, sir, insights kay MPI, Poppy, and ISM. Alright, these down. Si Poppy nag-bounce pero bongga naman ang bounce. Ang laki ng bounce. Noel Menano, sir, ABA, SMPH, SMC analysis po. Kamustahin natin ang mga ito. Yan. So, Joy P, VLL, ATN, and PHA po. Ito rin. Si PHA nag-bounce diba? Tommy Escobedo, good morning coach and all viewers. Pa-insights kay DNL, BPI, and MRC. MRC, I have it in my recommendation for today. I think it has bottomed out. Good signs naman ang pinapakita niya. So, it's actually the past few weeks, it's already at bodega level. So, dapat nagsisimula na tayo mag-bodega dyan kasi anytime soon, baka umakyat na yan. Ronald Ray Tome, sir, kailan second wave ng mangingisda.org? The next batches will be 6 months from now. So, that should be around December. So, medyo matagal-tagal pa po. And, antay lang po. Don't worry. Once the first batches are successful, then we will be confident to open more. Right? So, ipon kayo para po sa next batches kasi pag mag-expire na tong unang batch plus meron pang i-open na bago so mas marami po sa susunod. It's just that napuno na kasi ngayon eh. So, we don't really wanna start big, kasi napakalaking responsibility po ito. It will be very irresponsible for us to dive into something na bago pa lang na hindi pa namin nasusubukan kasi bago itong mangingisda.org. We've been functioning privately, pero there's much pressure if yung pera na ng ibang tao ang hawak mo. So we don't want to we really want to start it right. So we don't want to make this fail. Don't worry, pag gumanda ang takbo, we'll let you know. Actually, ilalabas naman namin lahat. We're gonna make it public, even the production process, and especially the finances. Once the sales come, papakita po namin sa inyo, para we can open so that we can open the next batches rin para po. Ella Montifalco, good morning. Justin Salvador, good morning Sir Lloyd. Pwede explain ng tender offer ng PHEN? I'll write this down. Alright. King James, SMPH and SSI coach, please. I'll write down SSI. And Melinda, Sir Web, si Web, ang taas na ni Web. Congratulations sa mga nag-ano kay Web, pumasok kay Web. Told you, it was for long term, so magbudega lang. WPI po, thanks. Alright. Mila Musa, good morning Sir Lloyd. Pa-insights po kay BPI Tags and Food. BPI is already there. Tags is doing bounces naman. And then food also. Cherry Leafies, vlog real fish farming ba ang mangingisda.org or virtual lang? Yes, it is real fish farming. Yung area po namin sa Mindanao is a mariculture park. It was developed by the government to be a mariculture park. Binigyan po nila ng mga cages po doon para for fish farming talaga. Kaso nga lang, it hasn't been sustainable, especially for other farmers out there na walang pang funds talaga. So we decided to create mangisda.org as our financing arm para sa mga mangisda po natin doon. So here, we can invest and help at the same time. And ako po mismo ang magmamanage dyan to make sure that this project is gonna be successful. Right? Pahabol po, Vita. Si dad ko ang nag-head ng production. Ako po sa finance and marketing, but I'm also handling the people there. We're gonna be applying corporate style of management doon sa mangingisda.org. That's why it's something new for us and we don't wanna really start big there. Okay? FRM, JCB Insights on TBGI. Si TBGI, I recommended that the past few days and umaakit na. So, congratulations sa mga pumasok kay TBGI nung nirecommend ko yon. Manong Japs, good morning Sir Lloyd. ISM po, thanks. It's there. Liberal, Liberi, Fatali, Wholesome, right? HLCM, right? So, I'll check these out. I'm gonna go to my recommendations now, okay? This is eToro. So far so good. Kanina nasa 9% itong XRP eh. Nagdadalawang isip ko mag-sell kanina, mag-sell all sana ako. Sell half sa natira. Kaso nga lang, bilis bumagsak, naging 7.83, so antayin ko lang ulit mag 10% yan. BTC so far so good, 4.27, hindi pa gaanong mataas, but uptrend pa rin naman. GWPH, hindi naman gumalaw yan ngayon pa mag-open ng market. So, mamaya pa natin makikita saan papunta to si GWPH. Pero nag-all-time high po ito. So, it's still a good position. Still on a good uptrend si GWPH. So far, our positions are doing well. And yung mga nag-copy po sa akin, congratulations, we're earning also. Nakabawi rin tayo sa May, right? Before the month ended. At least lumiit po yung talo natin for May. Thank you so much. It was a very hard month for the traders. Kaya kumampit na lang kami sa Bitcoin. Bitcoin ang pag-asa namin kasi international market was very up and down. So it's really hard to really guess where it was going. So ayan, we were feeling stocks, and when stocks fail, then why not go to Bitcoin? And then here it is, we're earning in Bitcoin. Yan. So, if you haven't copy traded me yet, search for my my profile. It's El Bazar. So just search for El Bazar and you will see my name there. For those who don't know about eToro, there is a way for you to earn in the stock market passively. Wala pa kayong ginagawa. Let the good traders do the trade for you. Right? Wala pong bayad yan. Libre lang po. Si eToro po ang magko-compensate sa mga tao na nagpapakopya for sharing their skills to the public. So, yan po. Check out copy trading and create an eToro account. Please use, eto lang hingi ko, please make sure you use my link kasi ang laking pong tulong niyan sa channel. You know that this program is for free. Ayan po, if you just use my my link for creating an account, that's gonna be a very big help for the channel for this to continue. Ayan po. So thank you so much po. Check out eToro at eToro.com. No, don't go to eToro.com. Please use my link nga pala. Sorry. Yan, naantok pa ako. Right, let's go to my recommendations for today. I'll put this on the comments para makita niyo po, but it's in the video descriptions also para doon sa mga kakapasok lang sa nanonood ng replay. Alright? Again, please share the video. Please share the video to your Facebook walls and your trading groups para ang mga newbies doon malaman nila that there's a program like this that can help them in their stock market journey. Right? PSEI. Let's talk about PSEI. It bounced at 7725. It closed yesterday, 7725 na. So, I think this is good. Hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy yung bounce. If not, let's see if it will go back down to support. But, this is a good bounce already. So, I think this is gonna continue. Itong bounce na ito, itong apat na green na ito, that was a very good rally for PSEI. Nang pullback lang, we were expecting the pullback and then somehow price action was good yesterday. So I think putuloy-tuloy na yan. Hopefully, I can't predict the market though. So yan. Hopefully it will. Right. Primex. So far maganda naman kasi ang outlook ng market. It's just that nagloko lang si President Trump. And so Primex, I'm going to be recommending Primex for today. There's a massive volume in the bounce the past few days, and then there's the pullback, and then there is this bounce right here. So this is good price action. I am using price action trading for the chart, and this is good. Ito lang yung malaking negative kay Primex and laki ng negative niya. So just test out this bounce, and then if ever it fails, just make sure you cut loss kasi baka medyo wala pa yung sentiments ng Primex because of that price of that first quarter earnings ng Primex, but it has been very cheap already, right? So napakamura ni Primex. It's been the cheapest it has been for how many years even, right? So let's test that out if you want to. Right, so Primex, CHP, just in case tama tayo, then that's good. If mali, then it's a very low risk position. Just cut loss below that bounce. CHP naman, MA20 bounce. This is the time, this is the pullback we're waiting for to test out CHP. Let's see if we are right, but use CHP as your support. Use the MA20 as your support. Just cut loss -3. I usually cut loss -3 below that MA20. So, CHP po, tingnan natin kung magtuloy-tuloy pa yung uptrend niya. Right. The trend is your friend. Let's see if the trend will help us here. Sana magtuloy, right? But you'll never know. So just test it out. SECB naman, here's the pullback. For SECB, this is good price action. This is the confirmation we're waiting for. But the volume is very good on these. The volume lately is very good on this rally. So I'd say yes, SECB. This is one of my favorite na papasukin for if you wanna ask me. So check out SECB. It's really backed up by volume. So ang ganda po ng price action yan. Nickel, ayan, si Nickel naman, we have a divergence for Nickel and it has good, fairly good volume naman lately. So I'd say it's accumulation already. We have a divergence right there. I'd say Nickel is also good for today. Yan, si Nickel po. MRC. Si MRC naman, and MRC, we have good price action for MRC already. Right, paakyat na po yung we have may paakyat na po tayo na movement. Overall, it's a divergence still nung nag-hit siya May 20. So, say bodega area na kasi ito eh. So, it's time to bodega MRC. We don't know if it's the bottom, but basically it just bounced at this what do you call this? It already bounced here. Sorry, hindi yan dapat ang kunin ko. Dapat line, horizontal line. So it was this is the lowest it has been So when it reached that point, nag-bounce siya. So I'd say yes. It just confirmed the support. I'd say bodega na ito. Cut loss around -3, around below that support if ever mali tayo. But there's confirmation of that bounce. So it was a perfect bounce at the support. So let's see if it will continue. Next is Rockwell. I'm recommending Rockwell for today. One of my favorite. Then ire-reco today. Rockwell's been giving us a solid year last year, and the first quarter's been doing well, 40% kaagad. So we have Bollinger Band triggers and MA20 bounces. First MA20 bounce and then another MA20 bounce right here. I'd say yes, try to buy Rockwell near MA20 as much as you can for Rockwell. And then lastly, si ICT, a recommendation ko for today. One of my favorite also, check out ICT. Ang ganda rin. Perfect, very good trend right there. And then we have another MA20 bounce. So it was a solid climb for ICT, and you know where to wait for it at MA20. So use MA20 as your support. Right? Hopefully the trend continues. If not, just cut loss below MA20. Ganun lang yan. Right? But these stocks are doing well. Si ICT, first quarter earnings 70%, annual earnings 20%. So these are very solid numbers ICT has been giving us. Sus, na-remember ko pa, I recommended ICT because of this divergence, and antindi. Who I didn't expect for this to become a bagger, but it became a bagger. So how much ito? Itong climb na ito, 88% already, 90%. So amazing, ICT. Congratulations sa mga pumasok noon kay ICT. Hingal. Right, so I'm gonna go now to your recommendations. Mag-continue lang ako. eToro po ba pwede din? Let's just I'm gonna go back down for a bit kasi may question dito. It's from Princess Castro Verde. Sir Lloyd, good morning from KSA here. So wakas naka-comment ako sa live. Good, very good. Sa eToro po ba pwede din mag-copy trade sa virtual? Yes, you can test out copy trading using your virtual portfolio to test out people. Ganito kasi yan. There are few people na siguro meron kayong mga 3 or 5 tao na gusto i-kopya. Test them out. Use your virtual port. Test 1,000 to this guy, 1,000 to this guy, and then 1,000 to this guy, and then whoever performs well, then that will be the answer kung sino ang kopyahin mo, right? So you can do that naman. Nico Managa, good morning, Coach. Daanan kayo mamaya yung request nyo, okay? Lemonade Vent. Yan. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pa-shoutout sa akong uyab na si Rachel. We are both listening to your live streaming. Uy, ang ganda. Family that invests together. Ay, hindi pa pala kayo family. The couple that invests together stays together. Huwag mo lang ipakita ang port mo. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pa-shoutout. Yan, Rachel. Good morning sa inyo. We are both listening to you live. ATN and PHA, right? Those are already in the list. Okay, so as we go to the requests of the people, WPI. Unahin natin si WPI. May request about WPI. Right, so WPI has been showing us a head and shoulder pattern. So, ito yung shoulders, ito yung head, ito yung another shoulder. So, that's a bearish pattern. So, let's see what will happen. Abangan natin ito sa support. I don't want you to go in up there. Kasi medyo shaky ang position na yan. That's a bearish pattern. Let's see if it will break that bearish pattern and break out. That will be a confirmation na hindi nagtuloy ang bearish signal ni WPI. So VUL naman, ito si VUL. Alright, very good spike yesterday. Right? Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay VUL. We've been talking about this the past few days. Ang ganda ng price action. Yun nga lang, natakot ako sa first quarter earnings niya. But so far, it did go up. So congratulations. We were talking about this support right here. And then that's the power of support, guys, ha. It's just that it was against my my bias kasi may trading system. Laki ng negative 32,000% annual earnings. Not sure about that. But yeah, this is the power of technical analysis then, right? Support, and then we have accumulation in here, and then umakyat na. So congratulations sa mga pumasok kay VUL. Ganyan gumamit ng support, right? VUL, next kay VUL is MPI. MPI, um, let's wait for the bounce before you wanna enter for those who wants to trade MPI. But definitely, it broke MA20, so possible po mag-reversal na ito. Hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy for MPI. MPI is a good company. If it goes down, just buy more. I am in MPI for investing. Kaya hindi ako nasa-stress sa company na yun. Especially this one, Poopy. Poopy, I've been accumulating Poopy. And then, there it is. Reversal na bongga. And then, there it is. Perfect MA20 bounce. If you can get in sana, very near MA20 as much as you can. Sayang yun, no? Lumapit sa MA20. 3.10. 3.10 dapat dito natin napasok. So get in near MA20 as much as you can for Poopy, but I would say just keep buying the pullbacks. Mura pa po yan si Poopy as of the moment. Right? So Poopy, congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Poopy. ISM, ilang beses ko yung na-recommend sa Poopy sa baba. Right? ISM naman, right, very good pullback for ISM. I think this is gonna rest for a bit. Magpapahinga pa ito si ISM, but let's see what will happen pag nag-bounce sa MA20. If ever gusto nyo po ito i-trade, definitely is on a good uptrend. If gusto nyo po i-trade ito, use MA20 as your support, right? Get in your MA20 as much as you can. Okay, but definitely ISM, ito yung pullback na hinintay natin sa mga gustong humabol kay ISM. Wait lang ng bounce. Get in your that MA20 as much as you can. If ever magtuloy-tuloy, at least we're in a low risk position. If ever magkamali, then maliit lang ang talo natin. Makapag-cut loss po tayo for the traders. But I'm recommending ISM for long term. Very good. Maganda naman yung developments nila, especially for the third telco. Alright, so ISM. ABA, ito si ABA. Yun, si ABA, nasa support na pala. Right, test out this support for ABA. Right, I think this is good for ABA. Pwede natin i-testingin ang support na ito for this company. Good company. Ganda, ang ganda ng kita. First quarter earnings even is very good. So, yeah. Testing natin. I'd say yes, mid to long term for ABA. Right? Go for mid to long term. So, ibodega nyo lang po yan. This has been, the company's been doing really well lately. Test the support. Test buy lang, and then if it goes further down, I'd say just average down one more. I think pwede naman ito for mid to long term. I'd say bodega lang kay ABA habang mura pa. Nung dito sa taas, I didn't really want to recommend ABA, and there it is, bumaba ng bumaba. So, did recommend it here, and then umakyat, pero hindi nagtuloy. Let's see, but I think it's gonna do well in the support. For traders, test the support, right? Pero recommendation ko is just bodega lang for this stock. This is a good company. Okay? So, traders, test the support. Use the support as your basis for base. Cut loss below support. Okay? So, mga gustong i-trade lang yan. SMPH. SMPH, downtrend pa po sa SMPH. Let's see what will happen. We need further price action. Let's see what will happen at the support. Right? So, abang lang kay SMPH. Don't worry about that. Huwag magmadali. If it doesn't give you a buy signal, then don't force it. SMC, we have a bearish pattern right here. This is a descending triangle. Let's see if it will break out. That will be confirmation na hindi nagtuloy ang bearish na signal. Kasi this is heavy on the downside pag ganito, pababa ang price action. Meaning, malaki ang chance na bumagsak yan at mag-fail. And medyo mataas na kasi ang presyo ni SMC. So, if it breaks that bearish pattern, then that's a good signal for SMC. That will be our entry point, and we use this area as our support for SMC. So, wala pa. So, abang lang. Alright? Always wait for your setup to happen before you wanna enter. Yun yung ginawa natin kay Bitcoin yesterday. Waited for it to do a breakout to really confirm that we are at a good position. And there it is. Sorte natin. VLL. Nga pala guys, let me talk about the topic yesterday for a bit kasi hindi ko na elaborate yon. How I was able to enter. Bitcoin yesterday broke out at around 3:30 in the morning. Tulog pa tayo niyan. But I was able to enter it at the breakout and we were able to gain from it. So, there's a way to trade these signals while you're sleeping, and I'm gonna expound more about it in a bit. Alright? So, para magamit nyo naman, additional arsenal yan para sa inyo if ever you want to trade international markets. Wala kasi yan sa PSE kaya natatakot pa akong gamitin. So tinestingan ko kay Bitcoin, worked wonders. Very very good. So at least may dagdag strategy for you guys. VLL, just buy as long as the support holds for VLL, right? So meron tayong initial support here, very strong support there, and then meron tayong secondary support at around this area. But overall, VLL is a good company. Ang hirap nito ngayon. Yun ang mahirap pag nasa taas tayo naglalaro But the company is doing well really. So I'd say yes. Remember, I recommended VLL here, recommended it again here sa mga MA20 na yan. So congratulations sa mga nakapasok dyan. Problem now is here. Consolidation yan we don't really know for sure where it is going. The trend is your friend. An uptrend is our friend. But this is not an uptrend yet. This is consolidation. So anything can happen during this point. So if you're trading it, trade the support and then cut loss below. I'd say you don't have to trade this stock. This is a good company. So definitely go for mid to long term here. Maybe a year of holding this would be good. So just accumulate for VLF. Definitely a good company. ATN naman, pasensya na guys, masakit ang ilong ko. ATN, hindi ako makahinga. ATN, bumababa pa, 1.22. I'd say just accumulate ATN. This is a very good company. Ang ganda ng projection nito. So, though the market sentiments is not showing it. So, let's just wait for further action kay ATN. But overall, my take on ATN is just keep buying the dips. And then, pag nag-bounce yan at a support, then buy more. And then, if that support fails, then just abangan nyo lang saan mag-buy more. Don't worry about that. This is a long-term stock. I am into ATN for long-term. PHA, same here. With PHA, nag-bounce na si PHA, though medyo negative side pa yung bounce niya. So, konti ingat lang muna, right? Traders, I don't want you to be aggressive here. Even me, I have PHA position, open the position at this support right here, and then nag-aabang lang ako. If it goes further down, then I'm just gonna be buying more. Yun lang ang position ko for PHA. I didn't cut my losses when it broke support because I know PHA is gonna go up anytime soon. So, nagbobodega lang ako dyan. But today, for the traders, I don't want to recommend PHA yet. There's no reversal signals and it's touching the lower Bollinger Band, so baka bumaba pa. Right? So, eto, maganda si DNL. Right? So, DNL, good volume yesterday, the other day on the dip. So, hindi siya, there's accumulation here already. I'd see DNL. If I can add DNL to my list for today, yes, definitely. DNL po, dagdag niyo po si DNL. Bodega na yan kay DNL. I'd say bodega na. This is a good company. This company is very cheap right now, 10 pesos. So, yes, bodega na po kay DNL. Sayang yung opportunity na yan. Range trade lang yan. Technique lang dyan kay DNL is buy it here and then sell it here at around these areas. Right? So, sell it here in these areas. Yan. So, yan po. So, we are at the buy levels for DNL. Definitely, test it out. Alright, BPI. Yeah. How come I don't have BPI and my recommendations for today? Yeah, buy the support for BPI. Maganda na yung signals niya. Hopefully, the support holds. Right? Hindi kasi assurance itong divergence na ito So, if the support holds, then good. But definitely, ang ganda kasi very low risk position for the BPI. We do have a downtrend right here. So, yun yung pinaka-aabangan natin. So, hopefully, it will break out from that level. But BPI, I'd say yes, buy this already. This is at a very cheap level. Magbodega na kayo ng BPI. Sayang yung opportunity na yan. These are the dips that we always look for. And I'd say yes, buy BPI already. Next kay BPI, MRC, we already talked about that. Si FEN naman, yan, tender offer ni FEN. Right, so si FEN, doing well. Pero si FEN kasi ang tender offer niya napakababa Right, let me just open that really quick. Magkano nga ba ito binibenta ni FEN? 1.47 something. Right, I'll check this out. I haven't really been active in reading what they call this, in reading disclosures sa Philippine market, because somehow I'm already starting to go to international markets. So but no, Fen, ang ganda ng price action. It did break out yesterday, and then hindi lang nag-sustain, nahirapan siya. So I don't want to play with this anymore. Iba kasi ang reaction ng market when it comes to tender offer. Basically, you don't want to get in tender in this position pag nagka-tender offer, because supply is gonna be big out there. Lalaki ang supply, but other people know that Fen is gonna be doing well. That's why they just keep buying. So I can't really say. The thing is, we don't have any position right here. So at least man lang dyan kayo pumasok if ever gusto niyo pumasok kay Fenma, right? So I don't want to recommend this as of the moment. I always wait for how the market will react before I want to do an action now, right? So SSI somehow nagbabounce naman sa MA20, but this is too high for me. I don't want to recommend SSI anymore. Let it drop lang muna before you want to get in again. SSI too high for me, but though there is balik tayo sa SSI, though there is MA20 na bounce kay SSI, I think that Bollinger Band kasi is telling me magsa-sideways siya. So I can't recommend it anymore. If you still want to enter, at least use MA20, because I could be wrong. Pag nagamit niyo MA20 at mag-bounce, then that's good. Or if it breaks MA20, just cut loss below MA20 if gusto niyo pumasok. But I don't want to recommend SSI anymore. Nasa taas na po yan. Web. Ayan, si Web naman, yun, very good climb kay Web. So congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Web. Nagbudega kay Web. Don't want to recommend it there. Pullback and bounces, that is our entry points. Just follow that system and you'll be okay in this stock. Alright, WPI, we already talked about that. Tugs naman, si Tugs, ayan, si Tugs, bumalik sa baba si Tugs, but that's a very good dip. Let's see what will happen. That just confirmed the support right here. So abangan natin what will Tugs do at that support. Actually, pag nag-green yan, I'd say you test out the support. This is very cheap for Tugs already. Ang daming magandang project ni Tugs lately, kaya nag-negative yan siya kasi ang daming gastos. Food. Yan, si Food, nagpo-pullback pa. Let's see what will happen in the coming days. We still need further price action for Food. Abang lang. Vita naman, still on a downtrend. Laki sa negative ni Vita kaya bumabagsak to si Vita. So still waiting for Vita to bottom out really. For now, wala pa po siyang signal, so I'd stay away from that for now. TBGI, we already talked about this. Congratulations sa pumasok kay TBGI. I did recommend it here. And there it is. Umakyat na si TBGI. Nagsisimula na po siya umakyat. So get in here to support as much as possible. Today, I don't want to recommend TBGI. Taas na ng akyat niya. So, TBGI. Then, Holcim, last na sa first batch of requests. Holcim is at MA20. Bollinger Band telling me na magsa-sideways ito. So, kind of shaky, but you wait for a bounce, then you try it out. Let's see if ever magtuloy-tuloy ang uptrend ni Holcim. I don't really want to play with stocks that is already high up there. So, konting ingat po kay Holcim. Okay? Use that MA20. At the very least, it's at MA20 if you really want to enter it. Okay, so before I go to the next queries, alright, I'm gonna go to how to, hindi ko sino na-discuss kahapon how to make a pending order. Right? Pending order meaning, for example, let's say, ito yung nangyari kasi kay Bitcoin yesterday. Let me open Bitcoin's chart. Ito. So, this is Bitcoin. Let's go to the 1-day chart. Right. So, Bitcoin was right here. Okay? Oops. Right. So, it was playing at around this area right here. Let me open it. let me get a line. Right, so, oops, hindi. Ito hirap, ang hirap ng ano ni yan, ray lang. So yan. So this was the major resistance of Bitcoin. Actually, yun yung resistance niya, pero just to be safe, 8,400 ko po sinet ang what do you call this, ang resistance niya. So 8,300 ang resistance niya. I really wanted to break out and make a good volume and good action, and waited for it at 8,400. Right. During this time, hindi ko pa alam na magbe-break out si Bitcoin. Yan. Oops, dito. During this time, I didn't know if Bitcoin was gonna do a breakout, but it is giving us good price action. Nasa 7.5 unang bounce at around 6.8, then 7.5 na next bounce niya. So this was looking good for Bitcoin, but this is an ascending triangle, so we don't really know for sure if it's gonna break out or not. So the best entry point here is on a breakout, diba? Ang problema kay Bitcoin is that it trades 24/7, so you don't really know when in the day it's gonna break out. Baka pagising mo, nag-breakout na siya at ang taas na, hindi mo na siya pwede pasukin. Yun ang mahirap, di ba? So, there's a way to catch that. So, I studied eToro furthermore I'm still studying even right now. I'm still learning every day. I read about the pending order. The eToro guys helped me with it and explained it to me. So, I tested it out with BTC. I didn't want to share it yet because I haven't tried it myself. And this is a living proof already na try ko na, kaya tinuturo ko na po sa inyo. So, what I did was, let's go to my virtual portfolio and then go here. Ayan, so what I did is, I went to Bitcoin, BTC. Ayan, so yan yun na yan sa kanya. So, ang gagawin nyo lang po is click on trade. And then, for example, the position now is at 8751. It's now at 8751. Resistance niya is around 9K. Let's say 9K lang ang resistance. 9,000. So, you want it to really make a rally higher. So, around 9,100. Yan yung parang confirmation mo na magbe-breakout siya. Kasi usually sa international market, pag nag-breakout, tuloy-tuloy yan. Unlike PSE. Right? Kasi mas nasusunod ang technical analysis sa international market because of the volume. Sa PSE kasi walang gaanong volume, kaya hirap ang technical analysis sa PSE. So let's say 9,000 yung resistance niya, and just for confirmation, you wanna trade it at 9,100. You wanna enter it at 9,100. So what you do is you click on trade, and then make sure this is in amount, right? So what you put is make sure you're at the buy level, right? Buy tayo kasi nasa buy tayo. Order, go to order. Ayan, rate. Ayan, go to order, order, and then rate. Saan mo siya gustong pasukin? 9,100, di ba? 9,100. I just want to make sure we're on my virtual port. So 9,100, and you put an amount. Right, change this to amount, and then ito kanina yan amount. Make sure this is in click on the amount. Kung amount nakasulat nito, click on amount para malaman mo kung mas maganda, kasi mas makikita mo magkano gusto mo ipasok. Let's say $1,000. Right, so at 9,100 I want to enter $1,000. Okay, now leverage, you can put leverage if you want to. Times 2 leverage lang pwede sa Bitcoin. Let's try times 2 leverage, right? And then my stop loss is you can set your stop loss. Click on amount ulit para mas klaro. Gusto ko say amount eh. So if I am at the negative kasi 1,000 yan eh. So most probably negative, siguro I wanna risk $200 lang. So negative 800. Stop loss, ano yun? Anong problema? Negative 500. No. Eto, rate pala. 6,825. Let's cut loss at pag ito, let's say, pag nag-fail siya, 8,800. Stop loss can be placed higher than 7926.5. Okay, so yun yung pinaka magagamit natin na cut loss. So, yan na yung pinaka cut loss natin, which is 25% of the position amount. That interest, yun pala pwedeng cut loss dito. Because of the leverage, yeah. Punta tayo sa times 1 lang na leverage para, ayan. So, ulit tayo. So, stop loss can't be placed higher than 6,825. So, pag bumaba si Bitcoin ng 6,825, magsa-stop loss po siya. Take profits, you can also take profits kung kailan mo gusto mag-take profits. Kaya kahit tulog ka, pwede mag-take profits yan. It's up to you. But we don't want to talk about this. We want to focus more on this one right here. So, 9,100 at 1,000. If you set on order, if you check your portfolio, meron kang makikita dito na pending order of $1,000. So, hindi po siya pumasok kay Bitcoin kaagad. Diba? Mamaya na yun papasok pag na-hit ni Bitcoin ang 9,100. Right? So, makikita mo dyan. Execute at 9,100. Right? I hope you can see that. So, hindi po siya ma-execute kaagad. Ang problema kasi kay PSE is pag nag-set ka ng 9,100, let's say Bitcoin is in PSE, just for example. Pag nag-set ka ng 9,100 na buying, right? And then the current price is 8,800. I-execute ka agad yan ng PSE. So, wala kang choice talaga kay PSE kundi babantayin mo talaga yung breakout. Right? Dito sa international market, it's much more convenient. You can do a pending order instead. So, kahit mag-breakout yan, tulad ni Bitcoin, yesterday, broke out at 3 in the morning. Tulog po ako, nakapasok tayo in Bitcoin, and then you saw that our investment in Bitcoin is already going up. So, while I'm asleep, I was able to get in. And what if nag-rally yun? I set a target profit of Bitcoin. Kung ma-hit man yun, ibibenta niya kaagad. So, nakapag-scalping ako habang tulog. Pwede po yan. Right? So, you could have done that. I could have done that, but I'm not a scalper. I really want to make sure I exit at a good position. So, pwede po yun. Right? Kahapon, umabot si Bitcoin ng 5%. So, what if you set it at the breakout price and then sell mo is at around 5% above that? Kung na-hit yun ni Bitcoin, ibibenta niya rin kaagad. Kasi may target profits, which is what I showed you yesterday. But this is the beauty of eToro's pending order. Yet, hindi pa siya na-execute. It's still at pending. Hindi po yan ma-execute unless hindi po ma-hit ni Bitcoin ang 9,100, meaning that is a healthy breakout. Diyan papapasok yan. And then you can always cancel it. Since if ever may makita kang bad news and hindi naman siya na-execute, which is good, so you can always click on X and then cancel order and voila, nawala na siya. Okay? So, that is how you do pending order. So, I hope that's clear kasi hindi ko to na-discuss kahapon because of the limited time. Right? So, congratulations again sa mga nag-copy trade sa atin. I wanna go back to the requests of people. Francis Fahilan, IMI, kamusta natin si IMI? Doing well lately, right? I did recommend IMI here at the support and umaakit na po siya. Just get in near the support as much as you can. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay IMI when I recommended it. Lemon na Advent. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Nabasa ko na pala yan. Bull and Bear, good day, Coach PXP. Si PXP, ang ganda na akyat kahapon na. Was that yesterday or the other day? Yeah, yesterday. Yeah. So, PXP, so far so good. It has confirmed the support and you have a support. That's your entry point for PXP. B-Core naman, si B-Core, nagpo-pullback pa. Let's wait for it on a better position at MA20. Actually, ito yung breakout niya. This is the best entry point right there. So, just to be clear, tanggalin ko na itong pullback and MA20. So, this was the previous resistance. I'd say, yeah, test it out right there. Pinakamaganda sana was MA20. Look at that. After the Bollinger Band clips, triggers, nag-bounce sa MA20, this would have been the best entry point. So, try MA20 or here in a breakout. So, B-Core, medyo tagilid na. I did recommend B-Core here, diba? So, congratulations sa pumasok kay B-Core. Did I recommend it? I can't recommend. I'm not sure, but I think I did. ECP then. I've been recommending ECP at this support area right here. So far so good. ECP is holding that support by as long as that support holds for ECP. Hopefully tama tayo. Just cut loss below that support if ever mali man tayo for ECP. Okay? Time check is, asan na yun? Ayan. Time check is 9:19. So, bilisan ko lang guys. ECP, we're done. Princess Castro Verde, Sir Lloyd, good morning. Ayan. MRSGI. Let's check this out. MRSGI. Ayan, MRSGI. Let's see what will happen. May medyo bearish na price action here. So, we do have a possible support here. Wala pa tayong confirmation. So, we need further price action for MSGI. Makay. Ito si Makay, paasa to eh. Umaakyat, then bumababa. Then, we do have a support. Good volume the past few days. So, let's try it at the support if you wanna enter Makay. Just get in your support. Play safe lang. Okay, Nico Managa, good morning. Pasilip City BGI, green. Did we talk about green already? And green has a possible support here. Let's see if it will bounce today. That will confirm the support. Pasokin nyo po yan dyan. After green, asa na tayo? Green, VLL. We talked about VLL already. May Fuliante. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Nag-fund na po ako agad sa Mangisda. Instead, nag-reserve muna. Paano po namin malaman kung may mag-available slot mamaya? We will open it at 8 p.m. Right? 8 p.m. ko po i-reject ang mga nag-expire. So, hopefully, may mag-expire para makapasok yung mga gusto talagang pumasok. Just last night, wala pong nag-expire. So, tonight, at 8 p.m., check nyo lang po ang website. Pag wala pong naging open na slots, meaning wala po tayong na ma-accommodate, pasensya na, pahirapan. So, I recommend just reserve na lang muna, guys. Huwag muna kayo mag-fund na lang. Okay? Jerwin Marasigan, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Is FEN good for long term? So far, so good. Doing well naman si FEN. Yeah, but don't get in at the top. Alright, guys, there's a market cycle. Wala pong forever na uptrend. Magda-downtrend rin yan in the future. So, if you're planning to go for long term, mamaya na pag bumaba yan. Alright, wag muna dyan sa taas kasi usually kasi naiinggit lang tayo kaya pumapasok tayo sa taas and then we just tell ourselves na anyways, investor naman tayo. As much as possible, wait for the pullback. Zemiel Asma, nasubukan mo na bang mag-copy ng person sa eToro, sir, with real money? Yes, this is the reason why negative ako. If you check out my stats for last year, this is the reason why negative ako for June and June, right, around June. This is the reason why negative ako dyan kasi naka-copy trade lang ako. To test eToro out, nag-copy trading po ako. Ang liliit lang ng gains. So, around September, I started to trade on my own. October, ito yung nagloko si Trump with the trade wars kaya bumagsak. Kaya laki na negative ko dyan. And November. And then, still, I was working it out. And then, so far, December onwards, okay na. But, noong June, nag-copy trade po ako just to test it out. Pangit. June, July. Yan, nag-copy trade ako dyan. Ang bagal ng galaw. Okay, so I decided to trade on my own. J. Suarez, Tugser, we already talked about that. Hi, Sir Lloyd, morning watching here from Oman. We learned a lot from you. Thanks a lot. Happy to help, Joffrey. Right, BJ, ISM, sir, sa July pa ba, hindi June ang awarding ng CPCN? I haven't checked the news. So, you don't really need to bother yourself with those things. Those will just be priced. If ever ma-award naman sa June or July, then we don't really care if kailan. Okay? Harrison Servillon, kasi long term naman tayo dyan. Harris Servillon, good. He says, send a fund PM receipt, mangisda.org. Facebook, waiting for fund confirmation. That's good. Okay, tingnan ko po yan mamaya. Paul Henrik Untayo, good morning, sir. Pakitingin si AGI and BPI. We already checked out BPI. Si AGI naman ang tingnan natin. So, AGI, very good. Antayin nyo to ang breakout nito for AGI. Right? That's a bullish pattern. This is looking good for AGI. So, pag nag-breakout yan, that will be your entry point. So, abangan nyo na. Wala tayong magagawa. Wala tayong pending order sa PSE. So, alarm na lang gamitin ninyo. Right? Gumamit po kayo ng alarm system ninyo kung mayroon man kayo for that. Or tingnan nyo market. Losareco, Bazar, and BPI. We talked about these two already. Lorraine de Guzman. Right? Sir, ISM, sir, kailan pa mag-add and JFC VLL po? Kailan po pwede? Actually, si ISM is doing a dip right now. I'd say dagdagan niyo po pag nag-bounce yan. But
overall, if you're an investor, anytime is a good time to add. It's just that it's more efficient on the dips, diba? JFC, kamusta natin si JFC? Bumaba pa ng bumaba eh. Right, so JFC is now at 274. Let's see if it bounces. If it bounces, then definitely that's a confirmation on support. Pasukin nyo na yan. Right? VLL, buy as long as the support holds. Paul Henrik, good morning Sir Lloyd. Magkano minimum for copy trade sa eToro at may fees ba kung gamitin ang GCash sa pag-fund ng eToro? I believe wala namang what do you call this? Walang fees. Just as GCash has its anong tawag dyan? They have their own exchange rates. So, yun lang ang dapat isipin po ninyo. Wala pong bayad. And minimum for copy trading is 200 lang po. Right. Sir, my favorite from the net mill. Yung nga pala si AEV, umakyat na. The net. Kamusta natin si AEV? Ayun, umakyat na. Congratulations. Galing mo na net. Getting better. Right? Nagbodega ka dito sa baba. Definitely perfect entry. Right now, I don't want to recommend to buy more. Wait for the pullback before you really want to buy more. For Nanette. Congratulations, Nanette. Good gains para sa iyo. Joseph Fernandez. Ay, 925 na guys. Last two lang muna. Picor. Si Picor, medyo mahirap pa eh. I don't want to recommend it yet. Maybe a pullback and a bounce would be a good entry for Picor. CHPN Web, nadaan na natin yan. Redcap 21. Good morning. Vita, please. Ryan Concepcion. Tapos na rin yan. Sir Lloyd, di pa ba Di po ba head and shoulder si ABA? Hula lang po. Yes, it is. We talked about that earlier. Head and shoulder po siya. Abner Specio, coach, and good morning. Sana makahabol pa APX and PXP. We talked about PXP already. Si APX, I think nadaanan na natin to. Right. Si APX. Uy, good accumulation. Ganda na accumulation ni APX. There's volume in the accumulation. I'd say yes. Testingin niyo po to if you want to be aggressive. Yeah, you can test it out. Right? Good find. So, everyone, pasensya na. Hindi ko na po masagot lahat. Medyo ang dami-daming medyo marami yung tanong sa atin ngayon. Sir, thank you for sharing experience investing. Pwede po ba magbili ng halimbawa ng Berkshire Hathaway kahit konti lang? Right. If you wanna, sa eToro kasi, there is copy funds. Last ko lang ito na topic. Right? There's copy funds. If you wanna invest like what do you call this? Like sino nga ba yan? Sino yung maayan ng Berkshire Hathaway? Berkshire Hathaway. From paborito ko, si Ayaw na pumasok sa isip ko nang mental block ako. But yeah, Berkshire Hathaway, meron kasing Warren Buffett, yan. Thank you so much, Zafkiel Arfel. So, meron kasing copy funds dito, guys. Copy portfolios. If you click on this, copy portfolios, makikita niyo po dito. Carlican is one of the best fund managers out there. So, pwede niyo pong ganito na naka-diversify na po yung pera ninyo. So, if you wanna invest like Carlican, one of the best out there, if you want them to manage your funds, you can click on them and then put money in it, invest. Yun nga lang, ang problema dito is 5,000 po ang minimum. Right? Ang kagandahan kay eToro, these people, these companies, they have realized the potential of eToro. Kaya po nila sinishare ang mga positions nila kay eToro para gawing funds po. So at least you can already invest in them. $1 million po bago kayo makapasok kina Carlican, kina Berkshire Hathaway. But with just $5,000, you can invest and sila na po bahala. Whenever they change something in their funds, automatically susunod po yung funds sa eToro. So basically you're investing in them already. This is the dream of those people who are already rich and wants to invest in these kind of people. Berkshire Hathaway, Carlican, kaso nga lang $1 million to invest in them. eToro gives us that opportunity for just $5,000. You can also check these out, guys. Right? If you have funds there and then you want the best people, the well-known fund managers out there to handle your funds, use this copy portfolio. Right? So, yan po. Mahal ang port niya, yes. $5,000 po for them. Same with Berkshire Hathaway, Berkshire, yan, BKB, BRKB. So if you wanna trade it, ay stocks po yan pala. Stocks yan ni Berkshire. Meron pong copy funds na Berkshire Hathaway. So medyo mag-overtime lang tayo ngayon. Where is that? Ayan, Warren Buffett CF pala ang pangalan. So, ito yung mga stocks ngayon na pinapasukan ni Warren Buffett. So, if you wanna check him out and you wanna invest, Warren Buffett is invested in Apple, Coke, Wendy's ba ito? WFC? Coke yung KO pala. I can't. Right, so, somehow it's not showing up yung allocations. Exposure. Ayaw lumabas. Right, view all stocks. Ayan, ito. So, Coke, Wells Fargo pala si WFC, KO, AXP, ito yung mga pinapasukan ni Berkshire Hathaway. Right, actually, pwede pong ganitong gawin ninyo. If you wanna trade in eToro, right? Check out Warren Buffett's stocks, and this is his watch list. Ito po yung, these are the stocks that he has invested in. So, meaning he believes that these companies are gonna go up. Use this as your watch list. Simple as that. You can do this also. Para may watch list na po kayo. Social pa yung watch list nyo. Warren Buffett watch list pa. So, pwede nyo pong gawin yan. So, yeah, if you want to invest in his, in this kind of funds, $5,000 po. Si Warren Buffett na ang magmamanage ng pera ninyo. Yan, ganyan po. Right, so that's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Hopefully, it will be another fruitful and meaningful na discussion tulad nito today. So many learnings, right? I'm still learning along the way, right? Even in eToro. So I'm sharing it with you guys. I'll see you again tomorrow. Ads din ni eToro yan si Warren Buffett. Yeah, tama. Parang inulit niyo lang po. Sorry. Right, so that's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow 8:15. Ngayon lang po, medyo late tayo nag-start kasi napahaba ang tulog ko. Right? So, let's get rich together. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.